Hey, everybody. Well, navigating this post election stock market could potentially be like a landmine. But I know there are some opportunities here, and I'm going to share with you 5 stocks that I believe may be great to trade after the election. These are just opportunities, not financial advice. Of course, I don't give financial advice. But let's get into it. The first one that I found is Tesla. No shock there, right? Absolutely no shock there. Regardless of the election outcome, Tesla is really poised to benefit, right? A Democratic win shows that there are some EV tax initiatives that may show up, while a Republican victory might lead to favorable manufacturing conditions. Either way, Tesla is going to be situated where it could potentially do really well and could be a great opportunity. Number 2, Bank of America, ticker BAC. Not just Bank of America, but the other large U.S. banks. Well, because they're expected to gain and to benefit from the higher long-term rates. We don't know how long we're going to stay at these high interest rates, but the banks are the ones who are going to benefit from that. And potentially there could be some deregulation that comes with one of the winners of the presidency. All right. So you want to keep that in mind, knowing that Bank of America, maybe Wells Fargo, we can name them. I won't name Morgan Stanley. There's so many banks you could name, and they may have some opportunities for us after the election. All right. Number 3 on my list, which is a little bit of a shocker, is Pfizer. Right? Pfizer. And I was wondering, why would Pfizer be on this list? And I believe it's on this list because it's a high quality dividend stock. Right? Not only Pfizer, but there are, lists of other companies that provide really good dividends that have grown their dividends over time. I think they're called the dividend aristocrats. You might have dividend kings and queens. You can look at some of these lists. Well, dividends are great because they provide income as well as potential price growth, right? And these are always attractive things in uncertain times. If I can get my resource and it pays me multiple ways, that's a win-win, right? Okay, I've gone through 3 of these: Tesla, Bank of America, and Pfizer. Go ahead and like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, put the thumb up, right? Let YouTube know that you want to continue to see what we're putting out here and you want to hang out with us. All righty. Number 4, is ChargePoint. Another one that's kind of a shocker. ChargePoint is the largest EV charging network in the United States. Did you know that? Yes, it stands to benefit potentially from the green initiatives that will come about with a Democratic presidency. These policies and things will continue to grow, ChargePoint, and could continue to benefit the whole EV space, ChargePoint being one of those companies that is already a leader, right? So it could definitely have some benefit there. Last but not least, and this one I don't think will be a shocker, and it is NVIDIA. Nobody's shocked that NVIDIA is going to be a great company to continue to invest in, continue to trade, even after this election. I don't think anybody's shocked there. But it's not just NVIDIA. We should continue to look at other tech companies that are also in this space. With the advancements of AI and data centers and all that goes along with this from a technical standpoint, a technology standpoint, there's some opportunities there. NVIDIA, of course, is one. It's a very well-known name. We always look for NVIDIA. But there's other companies that are also functioning in this space that are on the up and coming. All right. So I've covered 5 stocks for you that could potentially be beneficial and could be lucrative even after the election. Tesla, Bank of America, Pfizer, NVIDIA, and ChargePoint, right? If you're looking for any of the products like credit spreads stuff and you want to look, maybe your beginner trading option, all of the products that I sell are over at educatortotrader.com. You're free to go right over there. If you want to get started as a beginner, go over and look for options 411 and get yourself started.